Is your WordPress site not sending you email notifications when someone fills out a form on your website? Or worse, are they going straight to your spam folder? If so, don't stress. I'm going to show you a simple way to fix this problem and ensure you never miss another client inquiry or form submission from your website again. In this video, I'm going to show you why your WordPress email notifications aren't working reliably, a super simple fix that'll solve this problem for good, and how to set everything up without any technical headaches. So think of your website's contact form like a receptionist at your office. If that receptionist only delivered some of your messages or randomly tossed some in the trash, you'd fire them immediately, right? Yeah, that's exactly what's happening when your WordPress notifications are not working properly. But don't worry, fixing this is much easier than hiring and training a new receptionist. First, let's get clear on what exactly the problem is. When someone fills out a form on your WordPress website, you want to get an email notification right away because every minute counts when someone's reaching out to do business with you. Maybe it's a hot lead asking about your services, or a client who needs urgent support, or someone ready to make a purchase but has a quick question first. If you don't see these messages until hours or days later, or worse, you never see them at all, you're literally leaving money on the table and potentially damaging your business's reputation. WordPress comes with a built-in email system called PHP Mail. It's been around forever, and honestly, it's worked perfectly fine up until a few years ago. I used it successfully for years with my website as well as my clients' websites. But here's what changed. Email providers like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and others have seriously beefed up their spam protection. Think of it like trying to enter a high-security building that used to have just basic security, but now has military-grade protection. Your old ID badge, in this case PHP Mail, that used to work just fine before, well, it doesn't work anymore. So that's why we need to set up something called SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is like giving your WordPress site an official government-issued ID badge. It properly authenticates your emails so they get delivered exactly where they need to go every single time. Now, there are multiple ways to set up SMTP with your WordPress website. What I'm going to show you right now is how to get this done quickly and easily and with minimal expense. We're going to use a plugin called WP Mail SMTP. While it works with tons of email providers, we're going to focus strictly on Gmail and Outlook since most people already have an account set up with one of these. The way it works is like this. When someone fills out a form on your website, instead of using WordPress's built-in PHP Mail to send you the email notification, we're now going to use the industrial strength of Gmail and Outlook to send that email notification. Think of it like upgrading from a paper airplane delivery to FedEx delivery. Gmail and Outlook are the heavy hitters of email delivery. The WordPress plugin WP Mail SMTP is the interface between your website and Gmail or Outlook. And once WP Mail SMTP is up and running, your website no longer uses WordPress's built-in PHP Mail system. Instead, Gmail or Outlook takes over and handles all of the email notifications from that point forward. In the past, setting up SMTP required you to mess around with technical settings and authentication codes, and it was not fun. But in 2024, WP Mail SMTP released a game-changing feature called one-click setup for Gmail and Outlook. All you have to do now is just toggle this little button and you're good to go. WP Mail SMTP comes in a free and a paid version, and in order to get access to the one-click setup, you'll need to get the paid version of this plugin, which is extremely affordable. It's peanuts when you consider you'll never miss another hot lead or urgent customer inquiry again, you'll get instant notifications for every form submission and purchase, you'll stop worrying about important messages getting lost in spam filters, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your website's notification system is working 24/7. Now, rather than bog you down with the technical details in this video, I've included links in the description below to some really good step-by-step tutorials that'll have you up and running in no time. After you've got your website's email notifications working properly, there's another critical step you need to take, and that's making sure your website itself isn't secretly sabotaging your business, because getting notifications about form submissions is great, but what if your website has elements that are silently driving away potential clients before they even get to your contact form? In my next video, I've identified 8 specific things that could be killing your website's credibility and conversions. These are common mistakes I see everywhere, even on professionally designed sites, and they could be costing your business serious money. You can watch that video right here.